Now, in case if your artist is falling flat on some notes, Cubase has a cool feature, Vari audio, just by simply double clicking the track, and it's going to pop up this window. Just simply come to the left hand side and click edit Vari audio. It's going to show you this timeline. You see this point right here. This is the makeup of your vocal recording. So I'll simply press Command A on Mac or Control A on Windows, so everything is highlighted in here. Now simply come to the scale. Remember, we're working on C sharp major, right? And then we'll simply click quantize pitch so that it snaps everything to the right key. You can also turn on show scale notes guide and snap pitch editing so that it keeps you within the notes that actually make up C sharp major, which is very important. Girl, so for example, if this point here is out of key, girl, I could simply highlight once I want, move it up or down, girl, or move it down. Girl, I only say girl, I only say girl, I only way I want. So you can hear that it sounds better now. So say girl, I only way I want, girl, only way I need, girl, yeah. Give me more, girl, give me more, yeah. Now only your love I want, girl, only your care I need, girl, yeah. And if there's too much vibrato in the vocal, maybe it sounds too shaky like this part right here, you can simply highlight just that note or the group of notes and then come to straighten curve, and it's going to straighten it a little bit. Now, no advice you to take all the way flat unless if that is the artistic style you want, but most times I try to maintain a little bit of wobbliness in there so it still sounds natural. Girl, give me more, yeah. Now only your love I want, girl, only your care I need, girl, yeah. So for us to get our vocals duplicated on the next track so it stays in beats is very easy. The easiest way I recommend for you to do this is come to bar mode, hold right click on your splits, and then just split on the nearest bar like this, and then hold option or alternate on your keyboard and then drag it out. So if you notice we have a gap in here, so it's easy. Again, turn it back to a quarter or an eighth, and then you have it repeating right here. If it's still not as smooth as you like, take it to an eighth, and then you can have all of that. So you see, easy peasy when I play it. Yeah, now only your love I want, girl, only your care I need, girl, yeah. Say girl, I only way I want, girl, only way I need, girl, yeah. Give me more, girl, give me more, yeah. Now only your love I want. So I noticed this part. Girl, give me more, yeah. It's a bit off, so again I can correct it in Vari audio. Yeah. Now only your love I give me more, yeah. We can break it up, so I think it feels like going up. Me more. Let's hear that. Girl, give me more, yeah. So you hear that it sounds corrected now versus give me more, yeah. So you can hear the difference, right? So it makes it sound more natural in the performance. You have your home studio setup and you have Cubase installed in your computer, and you still don't know how to get high quality recordings and mixes like you hear from your favorite artist. And that's the exact reason why I made this course. This course is a step-by-step process that will teach you from the very basics all the way to advanced high-level technique that will teach you how to record the best quality vocals in your space, and also how to refine it so that it sounds really good on any platform. Now, this is not like any other course where you're sold dreams. This is a course that will actually leave you much better than you started this course. So if you're looking to level up and you're tired of sounding average, mediocre, and you want that industry level quality that makes your music stand the test of time, this is the course for you. And I'm looking forward to being your tutor on the other side.